Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a simple omelet at home, the only way you will ever need. We will start by gathering our essential ingredients. You will need 2 or 3 large eggs, about 1 tablespoon of butter, and any fillings you desire, such as cheese, ham, or fresh vegetables. Having your ingredients ready and at room temperature is key for a perfectly cooked omelet. Next, let's prepare our eggs and pan. Crack your 2 or 3 large eggs into a bowl. Whisk them vigorously for about 30 seconds to incorporate air, which makes the omelet fluffy. Season with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Now, place an 8-inch nonstick skillet over medium-low heat and melt 1 tablespoon of butter, ensuring it coats the entire bottom of the pan. Now for the cooking. Pour the whisked eggs into the hot skillet, spreading them evenly. Let the edges set for approximately 30 seconds. Then, using a spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center of the pan. Tilt the skillet to allow any uncooked egg to flow underneath. Repeat this process until the omelet is mostly set but still slightly moist on top. Finally, it is time to add your delicious fillings and serve. When the top of the omelet is still slightly moist, sprinkle your chosen fillings over 1/2. Using your spatula, gently fold the other half of the omelet over the fillings. Carefully slide your perfectly cooked omelet onto a plate. Serve it immediately to enjoy its warm, fluffy texture and rich flavors. Enjoy your homemade omelet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.